Hi, I'm Rick Mueller, and today I'm going to introduce you to our BEHR Premium Granite Grip. A Granite Grip is a premium floor coating that creates a unique, slip-resistant, multi-speckled textured finish for concrete and masonry surfaces. Granite Grip will enhance and revitalize concrete and masonry surfaces. It provides a slip-resistant, high-build finish. It fills in hairline cracks. It's resistant to hot tire pickup. It resists household chemicals and stains. It hides stains and imperfections. And Granite Grip is available in ready-to-use, pre-mixed, and custom colors. It's designed for use on properly cleaned and prepped porous concrete, masonry, stone, and brick surfaces. It's great for use on walkways, porches, patios, pool decks, garage floors, driveways, and interior concrete. To help us complete this project, we have our application expert, Octave Villar. Welcome, Octave.
Hi, Rick. Glad to be here.
Hey, so Octave, how do we get this project started?
Well, to achieve a beautiful, long-lasting protective finish, it is crucial to properly prepare the surface. New concrete must cure for a minimum of 30 days. And before we start, we want to protect and cover any surfaces that we don't intend to coat. Let's first clean the surface using a concrete cleaner and degreaser.
And then I assume we have to rinse this off.
Right. We rinse the area thoroughly with a garden hose or pressure washer. We're going to allow that surface to dry, and then for proper adhesion in the top coat, we'll use a muriatic acid to etch the surface. Pour the muriatic acid after it has been diluted per label instructions. Then we'll scrub with a stiff bristled broom. Finally, we'll rinse the area thoroughly with a garden hose or pressure washer. After the surface is dry, we'll test for porosity by sprinkling a few drops of water onto the surface. If the water is quickly absorbed, then the surface is ready. Dense and smooth surfaces may require additional application.
Okay, so how do we know when it's really ready for application?
Well, the surface is ready when it feels like 150 grit sandpaper. Wipe your fingers over the clean concrete to verify there isn't any residue or loose concrete on the surface. If powder is visible on your fingers, repeat the rinsing step.
Okay, so the surface is now dry and clear of all residue. Now we're ready for our application. So Octave, I can see you've already taped off and covered the surrounding area to protect what we don't want coated. Now, before we start coating, are there any other tips that you can give us?
Yes, Rick. Well, first off, we're not going to be thinning this product. We'll need to intermix all cans of the same product to ensure color uniformity. Stir before applying. We'll use the product when the air and surface temperatures are between 50 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, and so what if we have some cracks in the concrete?
Well, for hairline cracks up to 1/8 of an inch, we need to completely fill those in with the coating using a nylon polyester brush and allowing that to dry prior to rolling it out.
Okay, we've now completed all the prep work, so let's start coating.
First, we need to cut in the outer edges using a nylon polyester brush. For most applications, we recommend using a 1/4 inch adhesive roller cover. First, pour the product into a paint tray. Load the roller and apply thin coats.
So do we start in the corner and work our way out?
Great question, Rick. Actually, we begin with the roller in the center of the section and roll outwards in random directions, being sure to avoid regular patterns and knocking down hard edges using the roller. We'll apply in 4-foot by 4-foot sections. Now note the first coat will act as the primer or base coat. It will not completely cover the surface by design. We need to avoid over-application on the first coat.
So the first coat will not completely cover, but that's okay because it's intended as a base coat.
Right. After the first coat dries, we'll apply a second coat in the same method as the first coat. While 2 coats are necessary, additional coats may help hide previous surface imperfections or cover over darker colors. If you have any questions about product coverage, refer to your label instructions.
So other than a roller, are there any other application methods we can use?
Yes. As an option, you can apply using a textured sprayer. Use a texture sprayer with a 4mm conical tip, applying product in a circular motion 2 to 3 feet from the surface. For a more even finish, back roll using a 1/4 inch adhesive roller, rolling outward in random directions for each 4-foot by 4-foot area applied.
Okay, so Octave, how long does it take for this to dry?
Well, Rick, that varies based upon your location and conditions. Make sure you check your label instructions.
Octave, we have the first coat down, and it's a great improvement, but it doesn't look quite finished.
Well, Rick, that's by design because it's just the base coat. The second coat will fill in the blotchy, uneven areas and complete the coverage.
Well, then let's get the second coat started. I can't wait to see the finished product. Well, we've just shown you how easy it is to apply the BEHR Premium Granite Grip. I want to thank Octave Villar for his tremendous help on this project. I'm Rick Mueller. It's been a pleasure being your host, but right now, I want to enjoy this beautiful, long-lasting, protective finish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time.